British. No worries, I'll see you, man. Thanks for saying hi. Okay. So I forgot where we left off. We were messing with our player bounce. Let's see if we can figure out what's going on there. Alright, yeah. So we enter the bounce. Let's do this. And actually, we will put this not here, but in our enter state. Damn, we need to put our player in the next scene because I keep having to play through this part right here. Wait, so nothing is printing here. You know, it's weird though. Even though, wait, let's see if it prints. I think I might have. I think we put this in the wrong state. We might have put it in the exit state. Oh. Very, very weird. Hey, how's it going, Moonstriker? Okay, so from the idle, we've entered the bounce. Wait, let me also print. State. Oh, I'm glad you like it. Yeah, I'm hoping by the end of the stream we should be able to release the demo. I mean, this bug, it's not really a bug, but it's more of like, I just want to make sure this works. Oh crap. State, that's 13, which is probably, that is probably our bounce state. It's so strange though. On enter bounce, or if in spring, manage spring, and then, or manage bounce on current body. Yeah. Status bounce here. Let me actually look at manage spring, or manage bounce. You know what else we could try? right here, I'm just gonna write motion.y minus equals, let's just try 100. See if that does anything. Okay, so currently our motion.y is set to negative 100, but nothing happens. So something in our code is like, I guess, overriding this motion.y. Okay, so we're in the bounce state, enter bounce. Let's put this, let's just make sure it's not happening at the end of our bounce state. It has to do with us touching the ground. I'm fairly confident about that, but I just want to make sure it's not happening here in our, let's move our player up. Nice, you got some time for the stream. Awesome. Yeah, we got most of the, you know, the frustrating parts of the stream are over now, I would hope. So now we're just doing some light work, some polishing. I mean, this is, I guess, the last thing that we need to fix. Oh, we put a breakpoint right there. I guess fixing the idle to bounce state is our main issue right now, but then after that, oh! Okay, so yeah, it does have to do with, I assume, manage bounce. Let's look at that. Print motion.y. Motion.y is not too important. If in spring, do we check for an idle state here? If in spring. State on manage bounce. State on manage bounce is bounce, and then we set it to 175. 175, that's our max velocity going downward. So that, I mean, that should be the case, I guess, for now. But then once we run in spring, let's see, let's just print this. In spring, it's true. So yeah, in spring is equal to true. And then we're setting our motion here. So I'll print out. Then we're saying node.bounce up, but I don't think this is too important. Or maybe it is. Maybe it is. Let's see, bounce object. Or node.bounce object. That's spring.bounce object. Spring 2. Bounce object. Applied force. No, it doesn't really do anything. Hey, how's it going, Neotano? Taino. I'm like, by the way, I'm still grinding on COD right now. I'm almost level 50, I think. Yep, I am. I haven't been playing with you guys too much, but I think it's honestly, I'll play tonight, probably. I'm trying to release a demo today. How much code is too much code? Honestly, I don't know. This is definitely too much code. I do plan on refactoring everything. I'm probably just going to rewrite everything once we get this demo out, or once the Kickstarter is done. I'm probably going to rewrite all of this. Because there are certain places where I'm going back and forth, and I know it could be a lot easier. Like right now. There's a simple solution to this, and it's hard to figure out where it's coming from. What's the meta like? I guess there's not much of a meta in Modern Warfare right now. But I really like the they gave the guns such weird names, like the P90 or like the MP5. Like there's like the Latchman guns, which is like, I don't know. Like they call the MP5 a Latchman something, or like the assault rifles Latchman stuff, or like the old Scar is called something weird as well. Have I been playing during the day? Yeah, I play. Actually, no. Lately, I've been playing at night. I see, like, sometimes I see you're online, but I never see you're in a game. Like around 12 is when I like, not 12, like maybe 10 to 12 is when I play. I'll sometimes play a couple of games, like after a stream or something. The whole game is buggy. Yeah. I've seen some. I saw a hacker the other day too. Not sure how good the key bindings are in Godot. What do you mean by that, poetry? I haven't had too many issues with key bindings. We actually worked on the key bindings today and yesterday. Now it's like super dynamic. So here, I'll show you. So right now I just replaced the input from the player, so you can either use a mouse to like determine where you want to dash, but you could also quickly switch into the you could switch to the Xbox, and it would get rid of that arrow. And then it's not revolutionary, I guess, but it's been working pretty well for me. One thing I don't like about COD right now is if you disconnect from your internet for like a split second, it crashes the whole game. At least for me. For the what is it? For Steam. Basically, how easy it is to move around the code editor with key bindings. Oh, I see. I'm not sure either. I mean, I'm not sure either. What were we trying to do again? Oh yeah, the player dash. Yeah, so I don't get why it should work when we are in the idle state. So let me print what our motion is right here at the end. And then we can figure out what's making our what's resetting our motion. Do I have the problem of my controller open? Do I have a problem with my controller open the keyboard on my PC? I'm not sure what you mean. Do you mean like, is there input problems between the two? Okay, so motion at the end of the bounce is -208. So it's not our something is setting our motion back to 0. And it's not gravity, I don't think. It's not the end of the... So let's see while in state. Or let's actually look at what is happening in our player over here. Might be bounce or it might be movement. Let me look at... I mean, it might be gravity. Here, I'm just gonna comment out gravity for a split second. See what happens. Okay, it's not gravity. Is it movement? It's not movement either. Oops. They released an unfinished game. Yeah, I guess we are like there for COD. Like the people who bought it early are like the guinea pigs. So it's not gravity. What the hell is going on here? Motion.y. Well, you know what is weird though is that when we enter the bounce state, if I set our motion at the end of enter bounce state, it does work. So I think it has to do with like maybe I don't know. Let me try this. We could technically just say if our previous state was states.idle, we could set our spring velocity minus bounce direction. Since it's the idle state, it's always going to be vector2.up. We could do that. Oh, wait a second. Why is this? Oh, this is bounce direction. Never mind. Yeah, we could literally just say. Let me try this. I might just do this right now so that we could hurry on to the next thing. Is what's spring velocity again? Spring velocity. Didn't we just do this and it worked? Oh my goodness. You know, we might just ignore this for now. When am I adding loot boxes? I don't know. I guess when I decide to sell out. Or when this becomes a mobile game. Or when it becomes a battle royale. We might just ignore this for now. So, I'll fix it another time. Well, for now, if you're in the idle state or in the move state, you won't enter the bounce. So that's here. And in one other spot, that is in the move state. Alright, let's try it again. Alright, yeah, we'll ignore it for now. It should be an easy fix, but I just need to find where exactly in our code it's happening. Alright, so now it's just a matter of level design. Let's just pick some of these rooms up. I don't know why we deleted a spawn point right there. So we're gonna put it back. Grab this one. Whoa. Okay. Glad you like it. It's lo-fi. I'm sharing my screen so I can stream beats lo-fi. Alrighty. So I think this room is fine the way it is. Maybe I'll get rid of this little area right here. It'll be a pretty open area. Okay. Got this room. This is fine the way it is. I think I do want to add some more decorations and stuff around the game, but oh, okay. There is one issue here. I don't think people are going to realize that they need to hold on to a wall, so I won't show this. I won't showcase that mechanic today. Maybe I will. I don't know. Okay, if there's not much level design for us to do, maybe I will actually, I'll update the UI a bit so that you can see what buttons you need to press. It's hard to tell if subscription services ruined software development or made it better. Yeah, I guess, like, you can see it, like, I can see the pros and cons either way. Like, I mean, for the older generation, I would assume that, like, people kind of hate it just because, oh, crap, I didn't realize Gargoose was watching. I thought you were Neo. Welcome, Gargoose. But yeah, like, I feel like the older generation probably doesn't, like, older gamers probably don't like, or I guess older software users, but I guess I could just compare that to gamers because it is software. But it's like, you know, it used to be that, you know, you paid for something and you got what you paid for, but now it's like everything is a subscription-based service, and like, I don't know, it seems like they're just trying to steal money from you, but at the same time, they are making updates to their games or updates to their software with the, like, it basically makes the software self-sufficient, where, you know, they don't have to worry about making sales. They can trust, you know, their current clients with that income and develop that software. So it creates, like, I guess, more loyal customers, I guess. Okay. Let's see. All of these rooms are fine. So yeah, let's update. Wait, let me just make sure. Oh yeah, there's one other issue, remember. Right over here. Over here? Yeah, it's this room. Let's make this 2 tiles shorter. I think there was one final room that still did it. Oh, it's this one right here. There we go. And I guess we should probably make them even. Let's compare the two. Yeah, I could definitely see why it made subscription popular. I mean, like, I guess you can look at what is a Game Maker as a good example, because I know originally you would just buy their license and you would have it for life, but now like any new purchases, like going forward now it's a subscription based, and I guess it makes sense for them since they're they can fund building the engine. But then you look at something like Godot. Like Godot is completely free, and how are they able to be self-sustaining? They just get donations. But I guess, yeah, I don't know. It's hard to make that call. Godot is more for like, I guess, enthusiasts or hobbyists, rather than it being like a utility software, even though it kind of is. All right, let's edit this room. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles shorter. Or you know what? We'll do 3, and then we'll increase the size for this one. There we go. It's kind of annoying that I have to do that. Like I have to go into each room and make sure that they match up. I mean, I could code something for like the edges of a screen, like maybe delete. What we could try doing is deleting the initial tile map and creating like a tile map that connects all of these rooms together, but that would take some work. What I did recently was that we scrape off the edge pieces and these corner pieces so that they are, if we did have some sort of like camera smoothing between each scene, it would look like, seamless. But for now, it doesn't exist. It still looks nice, but that feature isn't in the game yet. Or I removed it because we have like perfect pixel art at the moment, so it looks a little weird. Wait, what do we do here? Yeah, camera smoothing looks a little weird with perfect pixel art. You have to like code your own camera smoothing if you really want it to work. This scene has to be updated. Alright, I think we are done. This room is a little messed up. Let's get rid of it. These rooms are fine. We'll do one final playtest before I release the demo. But yeah, it looks good the way it is so far. We actually have a parallax in the background, but I don't think I ever exposed it in any of our levels just yet. Yeah, you can see the parallax right here. The issue with like, I only have like 4 colors in our game, so like having this color in the background kind of ruins the, or like blends too much with the foreground, so it's kind of confusing. So I removed it for now, or I just don't show it for now. All right, let's look at the UI for a split second. We're gonna have to probably add some buttons right now. the left click and right click, and yeah, we might have to make some custom icons as well. Let me see. GBD. Xbox. Xbox. Where is it? Where's our Xbox spreadsheet? Yeah, we're actually not too concerned with the Xbox. The Xbox key bindings have been perfect for a while, but we do need left click and right click. I think I like these icons here. It's gonna be, I don't know how hard it's gonna be to like show it off. I think it should be relatively easy. Alright. Let's grab this right here. Is there like a motion? There's nothing to show motion really. We'll just have to figure it out. Alrighty, let's export this. It's going to be let me call this, I'm going to say keyboard, just so that we could stay consistent. Keyboard, mouse, left. Click. Tony? What are you asking, man? Oh, he wants some gabagoo. Why didn't you ask, Tony? Is everything okay, man? Everything is all good. I was just about to ask you the same thing. What else do we need? Left click and I think left click and right click is all we got. All we need to add to our options menu. So let's do that. UI. Grab UI. UI canvas. Controls panel. Yeah, right here. So for the move, oh, what the hell? Why is this here? I guess maybe. That's strange. Oh no, I accidentally named it keyboard arrows. Crap. Whoops. Damn. I think we can just. copy this one here. Yeah, US. Add disabled controls that track your eyes. Yeah, modern PCs have. I have a eye tracker on my laptop. It was from 2016. I don't really know how it works though. File create from clipboard. Yeah, we want to name this. I don't know why I did that, but. Right click. There we go. And let's export this as, you know, it's weird. It says keyboard arrows right here. I'm not going to question it. Add controls for when you want to use bongos. Yeah, we could do that. Like that guy who beat Dark Souls with the bongos. Eventually, I do want to add key bindings. Like this should be customizable at some point, but right now we're just gonna shove it all in here. Like these are all your options. You could either use WASD, arrows, or, well, yeah, those are your only two options. If you can't do anything else, then you're screwed. So let me think about this. Right now we have dash and activate. Should I include, like, do this? We're gonna hack this so hard. Add an option for AI to play test it instead. That's funny. Arcade, that would actually be pretty cool. I was actually thinking about doing something similar where, like, instead of having tutorials saying like, hey, press this, I would have an AI, like there was this thing like a memory stone that I would do where you activate the memory stone and would show you how to do the mechanic like properly. So yeah, we actually might do that. All right. So where's the space bar? Let's do this. We're gonna put all of this here. Then we don't have so much. We don't have too much space. I don't want to make. I want to rush this, but I also don't want to make it look too ugly. So jump is spacebar. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Actually, yeah, I would want to do something like that. Like, even though the name of the game is called Memory, like it's like it was supposed to be the play on words. It still would be pretty cool if like memory was included into the like the word memory, like not with an I, was actually a thing in the game as well. And someone actually suggested that in Goon Plaza. Someone told me, yeah, like, when you hit a memory stone, it would actually put you back in time, and you would experience like a flashback of your memory of like what the game was like, or like yeah, you would remember what you used to be. You used to be a god, something like that. So the dash effect now is left click, so we can grab that, put that right there. Left click. Remember your death. Exactly, memento mori. Man, this is getting a little crowded. I mean, we could push this down a bit, push this down. Yeah, let's give it some space. Grab and climb. This is right click. The perception algorithm. Oh, perceptron. It would be cool to like add some sort of AI to the game. I find machine learning to be like super like an interesting topic, but it like requires so much work, or like it goes way above me, you know. I saw this guy who's making a game using AI. He's making a platformer as well. Let me see if I can find it. AI platform. He's a super popular YouTuber as well. I think his name is like Jordan something, or Bjorn, like one of those Nordic islands, Nordic lands, Johannes or something like that. I don't know. Johannes? I'm butchering his name. AI platformer game dev. He's like super popular. Where is he? Oh, Jonas. This guy. Jonas Tyroller. Yeah, I remember he was making an AI game. Like an AI platformer. Oh, I thought he had like 1 million subscribers. Oh, Will You Snail, that's his project. That's the one that's like AI generated. Or not AI generated, but like it's like the AI gets better at trying to kill you or something like that. Yeah, I took a machine, like I don't think it was a full machine learning course, but it was like, we did learn a lot about like creating our own little algorithms in Python. It was a really interesting topic, but I never like delved deep into it. But yeah, this is a pretty cool game. I wonder if it's actually AI if it's real AI, or if it's like him, like if it's real like machine learning, or if it's just him like making the game, like, you know, accounting for every single possibility. Who knows? I'm sure it is AI generated. If I remember correctly, that's what he said in his video. But yeah, we got this. Jump, left click, right click, and move. That's all we really need. Oh yeah. guess we'll push this closer to here, and we'll leave this in the middle. So yeah, the only issue I have with people playing this game is that no one really knows. They always ignore this mechanic, the climb mechanic, and I don't really know how to like force them to keep using it. I think the best way to do it is to put it in the UI, so like while you're playing, show that you can press the grab button. That's kind of what I did with the... What is going... Oh, why is there a random W here? Do I want some free books on it? Yeah, for sure. Send it my way. I'm trying to learn. I'm actually, like, after I'm done with this demo, that's one thing that I really want to do, is just learn more. Because I feel like throughout this entire... Like, I've been working on this game for 2 years now. And, I mean, I do learn stuff, but I feel like I'm not learning nearly as much as I should. Like, most of the time it's me, like, you know, I create my own problems, or, you know, I'm stuck in my own little loops of like, hey, I should do this, or hey, this bug needs to be fixed. But it's never, I almost never like do research, you know, and I'd like to. Is the game Xbox only controller? So I know someone who did try playing it on a PS4 controller, and they were able to do it, but I think it should be fine. But I don't know if I remember someone saying that they did have an issue with the PS4 controller. Is it common for PS4 controllers not to work on PC games? If it's a common thing where sometimes PS4 controllers don't work, then it's a possibility that it won't work. But I do remember someone saying that they did try with their PS4 or PS5 controller, and they said that it did work. Usually you just have to download some sort of like driver or third-party software, right? Like, don't people just like convert their... I remember having a PS3 controller, and like I had to convert it to an Xbox controller. It's just that the key bindings might be... could be potentially different. All right. So yeah, you might see on the top right and top left, you can see like RT and LT. Maybe what I'll do is always show that button there. I'll always show LT, and I'll always show RT, and it'll be dark, and it'll light up when you get close to like what is it? When you get close to a wall. And maybe I'll even show the left click, although the left click is not nearly as important. I'm trying to think if I should put it on the bottom right or top right. Let's just try it out. This is in our UI canvas, in our grab UI, and then right now, yeah, we're showing RT, LT, all of this stuff. What we'll do, and we do have a script here. Let's add another texture. For this one, we just need, wait, let me see. Is there a texture for left clicking? Or the ability to left click? No. But we can like fade it out and fade it in. Let's add sprite. and this will be right click. What's going on here? I feel like I literally have to tell the player that this is the climb button, because every time I have someone play my game, they completely ignore the climb mechanic, and I feel like I have to like literally type in big words, climb, you know? I don't know, I feel like showing the icon is not enough sometimes. Wait, let me see, maybe, let's see what it looks like on the bottom right corner. Oh, and we should, I don't know if we should grayscale this, because right now it's like blue. Yeah, we should grayscale it. Let's see how it runs. Oh, it's hidden right now. I mean, it's pretty obvious. You can see a giant mouse appear on your screen. What I'll do is, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep it visible throughout the entire time, and it'll be grayed out, but then the second you hit a wall, it'll light up. So it should should show you that you can grab. So right now, visible is true, visible is false. Depending on our state, we set it to visible or not visible. Oh, manage grab UI. We only run this. We only run it. Okay, right now visible is set to false. What we'll do instead is we'll mess with the modulates instead. So, one second, let's grab modulate, modulate.a. So here we'll say self.modulate.a is equal to 1. Visible is always true, so we can get rid of it. We'll leave it there for now. Say this, and we'll say, say that. When it's not active, we will set it to 0.5, and same with the climb state. So let's see what that looks like. So yeah, it lights up, and then if you press it, it'll gray out again. Right now it doesn't, and you know our RT buttons are animated right now, but that's not the case for the mouse button. So, oh, and it's still visible right here. When we enter the escape menu, we want to make sure that it's invisible again. There's so many like small details we have to account for. But before we do that, what I'm going to do is, yeah, when we enter the climb state. Oh wait, I think this is fine. Oh, the other thing that we want to make sure of is we want to check which UI we're using. So we'll say level manager.player node. Whichever one we're using. If we're using a keyboard, we want to make sure we're showing the LT/RT. If we're using a mouse and keyboard, we want to make sure that we're showing the mouse. Yeah, there's music in the game. The way it works right now. Yeah, so when you start the game, so like if you start the game from your computer, it starts with the menu, and then the music from the menu stays in the game. That's why you never hear music in my version of the game, because I'm always starting it from the scene itself rather than the main menu. Books on Discord. Okay, thanks, Poetry. I'll check it out after the stream. So what we want to do here is let's see. I think we do this in our main scene. We set controls UI is equal to false. But the thing is, we want this to grab the UI canvas as well. So when this happens, should we add this variable to our? See, this is why we need to rewrite some of our code here. Let's just make a new variable for now and say var using keyboard is equal to, was it false that we said originally? I think it's actually true originally. Yeah, true. Okay. This is in our UI canvas. Yeah, in our UI canvas. So then for our grab UI in our ready function. Oh, actually, we're gonna want to set this as its own function. So let's do this. We'll go into here. We'll say func hide Xbox or toggle. No. Hide Xbox. No, hide keyboard. And func show keyboard. And then over here, let's just call this right click. I'll see you, Moonstriker. Thanks for stopping by, man. So yeah, in hide keyboard, it's just right click dot visible is equal to false. And then for show keyboard, actually for hide keyboard, what is it? LT and RT, LT2 dot visible. Whoops. Visible is equal to false, and RT2 dot visible false. Okay, and then same thing here, but just flipped. Wait, this is true. Okay, and then what we do in grab UI. So this is UI canvas dot grab UI dot hide keyboard dot show keyboard. Okay. UI canvas dot grab UI node dot show keyboard. This is on joypad, so this is actually hide keyboard. And this is show keyboard. All right, that should be it. That should be everything, I hope. Okay, so you see the mouse. You might not see it. You can kind of see it flickering on the bottom right. Oh, we should also grayscale that mouse. Okay. Oh, and when we enter the, what was it? We want to make sure if we enter the options menu that we hide both of these. I think we'll do it here. UI canvas dot what is it? Grab UI node dot visible is equal to true. There we go. What else? What else do we need to do? You know, it's the mouse is invisible on our first instance. We set it to invisible here. Yeah. Oh wait, no, we didn't. What's going on here? Oh, visible equals false. There we go. Do we want to add text here? We could. Or I'll let them figure it out. What else? Let's play test this really quick. See what else we need to add. Oh, let me test out for the controller really quick. So there's one other issue. Oh, when we restart, it also sets it to invisible for some reason. Let's see what's going on there. On hide keyboard, it seems like grab UI is false. UI canvas? No. In main scene. Grab UI.visible is equal to true here on it's not visible. We restart the scene, and then when we restart the scene, I guess this is still technically false, and there's not a time where this gets ran again. I assumed that it did, because it does resume the game. Wonder. Something's happening here. Maybe is it the UI canvas is closing itself? No, it's not closing itself. Our level manager. Let's look at our level manager. Level manager. Restart room, current room keep free, change world, into world. Oh. What's going on? Alright, open. Let's see if opening menu runs when we restart. Opening menu, idle, then opening menu. Do we ever open the menu again? No, we don't. So what's closing our... I guess maybe it's our player that's doing that. So when we enter the dead state, state dead. It's happening somewhere. Is it in our births? Let's just look at debug options menu. In our options menu, UI cancel, controls, UI Q3, controls UI, disable buttons, if visible. Resume game. Oh, okay, so in resume game, this is what we do. So in resume game, I guess that's where we'll put. I mean, we're gonna fix this later, but yeah, for our main scene, we just want to say the UI canvas node. Is this in our main level editor? I don't know. Let's see. Level manager. UI canvas node, yeah. Let's just make sure. UI canvas node. Yeah, UI canvas node is equal to self. Okay, so what we'll do here in over here, UI canvas node grab level manager dot UI canvas node dot grab UI is equal to visible. Okay, so that should fix it. Hopefully. There we go. We restart. Ooh. Level manager dot grab UI node UI canvas on node 2D invalid index UI canvas node. What did we do? Oh, it's UI canvas node. Let me just make sure. What? Oh, okay. Yep. There's one other issue. At the instance of our game, the right-click button is set to the alpha value is set to 1. We just want to make sure that it's set to 0.5. So I guess we could put that in ready. Honestly, we could set it for all buttons. We could just say for child, in get children, child dot modulate. Oh wait, we do this for our self. So we could just say self dot modulate. Self dot modulate dot a is equal to 0.5. Okay. So that's that. We switch the controller, top right, works perfectly. Then let's make sure we grayscale this button right here. We'll keep it the same color, but let's just export this. Wait, let me open something that's more grayscaled here. Whoa, what's going on? Stop it. Okay. Furniture. We want something white, I believe. We can set this to white. Is that too much? That looks so ugly. Yeah, the centerpiece looks so ugly. Again. It could be better, but I think we'll just leave it the way it is. Maybe, wait, actually, let's try white instead. Does that look better? We'll leave it like that. I think that looks slightly better. Okay. Export this as keyboard, right click, gray. Okie dokie. Switch. Nice. Alright, so I think we're just going to do a playtest really quick with the mouse and keyboard. And then I think I'm going to release it. I think that's it. That is the end of our demo. Oh no, I'm so bad. Oh, you know what is bugging me right now though? The color of our player is slightly off, and also there's a lamp in that room. So as we're going through these rooms, I'll check if there's anything out of the ordinary, and we'll make sure to get rid of it. So that was, I believe, right here. It might also be this room, but I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. Oh no, we closed it. Fuck. Let's just bring our player back up there. Okay. The positioning of those little white things are a little bit messed up, but I'll fix that another day. Oh wait, you know what it is? I think it's just that it's placed wrong. Like it's just not in the right spot. I hope. Oh, it's placed correct. Oh no, it's not. It's not. There we go. Oh my god. My reaction times right now are so slow. So yeah, I think people are gonna struggle here, but eventually, if they got this part, they should be able to figure it out. Oh no. Okay. I think this might be the hardest part. Oh, also it grabs our last direction. We'll have to fix that. Oh yeah, this was a bug. I completely forgot. We didn't even fix it. Damn. So right now we're in the idle state, and what it's doing is it's grabbing our last direction. Damn. Why did I completely forget about this? Okay. So yeah, this is the last bug, and then. Crap. Oh my god. Alright, let's see. Let's see. This is from our idle state. Oh no, our neutral state. Violent state, maybe? Oh no. It's gonna be. This is in the, actually, yeah, this is in our dash state. If we were previously in the neutral state, it's grabbing, I believe, no, it's wrong, actually. Not sure, actually. Let's see. Wrong room. From the teleport state, we are entering the dash state. So let me see. On enter state from our dash. So we're entering dash from just mouse input. And you know what's happening after we dash? I don't know, but it might be because we've already clicked, the timer runs out. So what we could technically do is restart our timer. I don't know if that's gonna mess with anything. Because yeah, we are waiting 0.2 seconds. But I thought maybe we already handled. No, we are pressing it. So what we could do is, I think what we could do is if we do press, let me look at our controller logic. If we are pressing dash again, we should stop our timer and restart the timer. I don't know if that's how it works, but yeah. So if activate input, this is the only time it's. Yeah, we should restart this timer. Maybe that's why it's not. Oh, we gotta bring ourselves back to that room. Oh my god. Bro, come on, come on. No. Why? Why? Stop, stop, stop. Okay, our window is closed, and yet... Why? Why is it doing this? Okay, there we go. Yeah, let's move our player over a bit. What? Why is it? Okay. So we're dashing forward, and it's grabbing our last. The second we're pressing dash input. Let's see here. Damn. I wish. On activate input. Ability. If enter, force dash. Else, if left click input. So this should be. Let me print this out. So yeah, we're entering some dash. Wait, no. Crap, it's hard to tell. Let's try this again. Yeah, we're entering some dash, and left click input is equal to false right now. So let me see where we set left click input to left click input is equal to false. This is from our zip line. On activate input timer, we set it to false, and If activate input. So somehow left click input is set to false. I don't know why. Because I guess in our dash state, no, it can't happen. Like this is not even true. And then when we exit our zip line, that's when we set it to false again. Hey, how's it going, Sinister Orange? Let me see. Let's see if timer is running out. I don't think it's our timer. Pretty good, pretty good. We're almost done. It's just there's just one final bug I'm trying to fix. Okay. So before we dashed. Oh. Before we dash, our timer runs out. But it's weird because we already pressed. We already pressed dash. But you know what it is? In our controller logic, we don't actually. I don't think we actually check for left put input. Left. Yeah. So if activate input, we should do or left click input. I think that's why. Yeah. That's why. Okay. I hope. Let's see. Yeah, it's not a bug, it's an exporting issue, and I think it should be possible. I haven't checked yet, but I'm fairly confident. That it'll work. So we are still dashing upwards. I mean, we're still not dashing in the direction that we want. I wonder... Damn it. Let's see. What we could do is just... Let me see. Wait, when do we set dash? You know what it is? You know what it is? Something. Yeah, I think dash input. On activate input, dash input is set to true, but I don't think we need dash input. I don't know. Thanks, Sinister. It's such a small bug. But, here, wait. Well, I'm going to test out one more thing. Because it does say that our timer is running out. So, in the end of our timer for a split second, I'm just going to disable that really quick. What is the bug? Give me 1 second. Here, let's comment this out for just 1 second and see what happens. Okay, so yeah, it's not. It wasn't an issue with the timer. It's something else. It happens at the end of our dash. or well, we are entering another dash. From there, we're in the neutral state, I believe. Let's see. From the dash to the neutral. From the dash to the neutral, once we're in a neutral state, left click input. Here, let's do this. So yeah, the issue is that we're not getting left click input. Thanks, Sinister. Let's see. Left click. Or wait, no. Neutral. If enter force dash, neutral state timer, neutral state. This is in the entrance of our neutral state. So nothing's really happening here, but we do have this neutral state timer that I guess keeps us there. But what happens when we exit? You know what? Where else do we set left click to false? Left click input equals false. At the end of this timer, what I'm going to try to do I don't think this is the issue, but we'll try it anyway. Oh! No. Okay, so yeah, it works when we automatically set it to true. That's not what we want. So at the end of left click input, we're setting it to, maybe we don't need to set it to false here, because, well, do we do that for anything else? Can dash. No, we only set can dash as, yeah, let's get rid of this. I think that was our issue. Left click input gets set to false no matter what, so there was no point in putting it in the... Oh, no, it's still happening. What the hell, man? So it equals false here, and it equals false at the end of our timer, and when we start. If left click input is true, maybe. Okay, so this is an actuation input, and then this is left click. Here, let's do this, actually. Let's leave this off. And the only time that left click input is set back to false is at the end of that timer, which is always going to happen. I don't think we ever set that timer to false. So now, there we go. Wow. I feel like that took a little too long to figure out. Oh, but our timer doesn't run out. Oh, okay. So our timer at the moment, I think we disabled it. Is that what happened? Yeah, I think we disabled it. No, we didn't. Left click input is equal to false. We could have a left click actuation or something. Here, let me close this. I'm trying to think. See, activate input. We do this in our controller logic. Let me see. We could do it something similar. So instead of saying left click input, we could say, left click dash input or left click activate left click. We could do something like that instead, and just make these variables do the same thing. Or what we could try to do is actually after our dash is done, when we do a left click, I think it should work now, where if we already did a left click, then we could set this to false. I think that might work. Let's find out. Okay, so yeah, this works. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So that's done. We can get on with playtesting, and this looks good. And we'll optimize the controller logic like another day. Right now, we just want to release the demo. Oh. Yeah, so I still need to get used to these controls. Whoops. Oh, that's another interesting thing. We seem to dash twice, or infinitely, after a, let's see. If I were to dash out here, we dash twice. And the reason why we dash twice, let's just make sure that if we press left click input, I guess after a zipline we could set this to false. We're just rushing through this, honestly. This is state.dash for the zipline. If not left click input, oh yeah, we did it right here and we never got rid of it. I mean, we never uncommented it. So now, let's try that again. There we go. Okay, so that works. Finally. Oops. There we go. Okay. Oh wait, that's not the final room. I'm too slow. All right, let's try this one more time. There we go. And this is the final room. if someone's using keyboard and mouse, I'm thinking about increasing the dash delay, like the timer where we're in the neutral state, to like 0.5 seconds. That way they have more time to like rotate their mouse. I know I'm struggling with it, and you know, I'm the developer, so I would assume a lot of people might struggle with it, but this is my first time using it, so you know, maybe I do represent like someone who's never played it before, but I also know how the mechanic works. Whoops. So let's see. So I do have a little bit of an unfair advantage here. Also, no one knows that this is a checkpoint, so let's make sure that they do know. What's happening here? Oh, okay. Did our game crash? No. Okay. So for these two rooms, let's put a lamp right there so that they know it's a checkpoint. Add a lamp. We'll put it right there. Maybe we'll make it a little higher, like that. And I think we'll get rid of these spikes here. Same with this one. And a lamp. Did it not? Oh, we didn't save it. There we go. I want to go back to the spawn really quick. So yeah, they know there's a spawn right there. Whoops. Spawn right there. Oh, you die, we spawn back in. Go here, dash here. Catch the orb. Catch through. Dash here. Oh! There's like a small gap right there. And let's replace these tiles. There we go. Okay, it's done. Oh wait, let's make sure that we can beat the game. There we go. Awesome. So the game is done, or the demo's done. What's happening here? Oh, look at that. In the main menu, we hide the camera, or we hide the mouse. So let's just make sure that we reset those values there. So in, where's that? Let's go into player. Let's go into mouse position indicator, script. Hidden and confined need to be false. So that's visible, and or we just need to set it to visible, not it's okay to be confined. Yeah, I think that's our only issue. So in the main menu, in our ready function, we'll just say that. Let's bring our player back to, I mean, we could, let me think about this. Yeah, we'll just go into player. Let's bring our player up here. Oh, and I can't forget, we need to fix the player texture really quick. So jump in, whoops, go in there, exit, and we can start again. Start a new game. And we're back in. Okay. Now let's look at our player really quick. So yeah, our textures are all messed up. Or not, they're not really messed up, but the colors are messed up. So let's go into sprite sheet, player sprite sheet, these are all of our player. I think this is all of it. Grab, move, jump, idle, show and file. I hope these are all of them. Idle, jump, climb. Yeah, alright. Where's player? Are we in the right thing? No, we're not. We need to be... Oh, no, we are. Yeah. Let's close this. Player. LMN. Okay. These are all old player sprites. Player sprite sheet. This is an old player sprite sheet. Where is... Yeah, what the hell? Player jump 16 by 16. Player move. Oh yeah, I guess these are old player sprites. Where is our new player sprites? Is it in here? Yeah, it is. Okay. Let's open all of these up. Oh my god. We have a lot of colors to fix. And run. Okay, I think that's all of them. And dash. Okay. It's gonna take a hot minute. Okay. So yeah, our player is white. So let's make this animation I think is old. I don't know which one we're using, so I'm just gonna update all of them. I know for sure we don't use this one, but let's do it anyway. Okay. Should have exported them. We're gonna fix that texture as well, but let me just make sure we didn't miss anything. right. Let's bring our player back to the spawn. Okay, so if there's anything green, we need to make sure. I think those are all of our animations, actually. I'm trying to think. Oh, let's look at the idle. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So now, let's just make sure we put in the correct colors. I don't know what we're going to use. Maybe this gray here. Oh, what? We missed this one. Whoops. And finally, this one right here. Oh, we didn't check the hanging animation. Let me close this. Honestly, the hanging, the balancing animation needs to be updated, but we'll keep it in the game. It's gonna look buggy. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna remove it right now. For now. But yeah, we have. I think that's it. Let me see the idle animation is actually fine. Okay. Yeah, let's remove the balancing animation for now. What is that? Balance? Edge balance. Yeah, let's get rid of edge balance. Whoops. What happened here? Hey, how's it going, Don Domidin? Domidin? I don't know. Welcome. There we go. That should be it, I think. Gotta restart again. Welcome. How's it going? We're just trying to release a demo right now. I think we are good. I don't see any bugs. And we switch to controller. It looks fine. You know what I think I'm gonna do, though? For our UI right here, the grab UI, for these two top ones, I'm gonna make them slightly bigger. R2 and L2. Set the transform. Right now it's 6x6. Let's try 8. Just slightly bigger. There we go. Now we switch the mouse. Works fine. Okay, that is it. I think we are ready to release. So, project settings or project export. We're just gonna export. Let's do demo. We're gonna rename this. We're gonna rename it to. Let's do 64-bit. We're gonna do Afterlife demo 0.2. We'll do 0.2 Afterlife demo. This will be 64-bit. Is there a dash? Let's see. 64-bit. No, we'll just put a space. Oops. .64-bit. .exe. Okay, and then let's do. I think if we uncheck this, are we allowed to? There we go. What language is Godot? Godot uses either C# or GDScript, which is the language for Godot. It's like their custom language. It's kind of similar to Python, or it looks like Python is what I mean. All right, so we got 2 of those copies. I'm gonna test it out really quick. Let's just see if it works. It should. I don't think we'll have any problems running it. I'm gonna close our game. Oh, did I save everything? I hope I did. Executables, 64-bit. Yeah, no problem. If you have any other questions, let me know. Don't mind answering any questions. All right, yeah, this runs properly. Go into the main menu, start it again, start a new game. Yeah, okay, let's try 32. Oops, let's close it first. This is 32, I believe. Wait. Oops. Yep, okay, cool. So now, I guess I'll show you guys what it looks like to add a game on itch. Thank you, Trash Can Games. edit game. And let's do this. Change display name. Let's do 0. Let's call this 0.02. Call it. And yeah, let's just rename all of these so they're consistent. When you download it, I think it's gonna say something else, but 0.001, or you know what? Whatever. We'll just leave it that way. We'll say, I'll fix all of this later. Old version. And let's upload some files. Can we open to it at the same time? Yes, we can. Is there going to be an HTML5 build as well? I'm not going to build it right now. Like, I think I could upload it, but I would rather people test it out on Windows first. But yeah, I did have it as an HTML5 version at some point. There was an issue with having shaders in my game and using HTML5, but I think it should be fine now. And yeah, there will be Linux. There'll be Linux, Windows, Mac, just not yet. We want to move these both up. You know what's annoying? Whenever you upload something to Itch, you have to like move them up like this. Oh, we're just switching between the two. Where'd it go? I lost it. How long have I been working on this game? So I think we hit 2 months. 2 years in. I think I started November 21st is when I started working on this game. So we're about to hit 2 years on November 21st. Yeah, I started this game in Godot. I started out in Unity though, like game dev. Are you talking about? I started doing game dev. I started doing game dev in Java. Then I tried out Godot. Then I tried out Unity, and then eventually Godot. And let's just name this newest version. Thanks for the follow, Kraus. The times where basically any game dev article was about Java. Really? I don't know, I might have told this story before, but in high school was when I was first exposed to game dev. There was this class that I took. It was literally called game dev or something, but it was literally just a Java course. And in the last semester, or last 2 months, they were like, all right, I taught you everything you need to know in Java. Go make a game. But there weren't any requirements to use Java. I think I made my game in Unity using I think it was JavaScript. I'm not sure though. But yeah. So there we go. It's live. Demo 0.02. This is the 32-bit. Let me try downloading it. Let me just make sure these are the correct downloads. We're almost there. I don't know which version is which. I mean, we'll see it, I guess, in our downloads here. I'll try the 64 first. Oh, I wanted to make another notification that said this game, I highly recommend to use a controller, but I don't have it just yet. So yeah, this is the 64. I mean, yeah, it worked when I tested it out, so it should work here. All right, let's close that, and 32. There we go. That's it. So if you guys want to play this game, I guess now's the time. If you want to see the latest version, you could like see where you're what exactly is happening here, but it's not too important. Here, I'll send the link. You don't have to, donate or anything. Just click on download now, say no thanks, take me to downloads, and if you're on Windows, yeah, you'll get it right there. Oh, wait, did I copy? There you go. That's it. That is, I was trying to release it yesterday, but I guess there were too many bugs, or I had someone playtest my game and I found out there was an issue with my game, so we implemented the mouse movement instead, the mouse dash. Yeah, and it should show the UI based on what you're using. But yeah, I think I will end the stream here, unless you guys have any questions. Feel pretty good after what? When was our last? When was the last time I uploaded something? 77 days ago. A little over two months and 2 weeks. You can see, it's still called Afterlife. I should have changed it to Memory, but you get the gist of what it is. Alright, so since there's no questions, I will end the stream here. Let me see if there's anyone. How many people are watching on Twitch? So there are 2 people. If you guys want, I will raid this dude. He's pretty cool. He does like 24-hour streams. Hey, Crazy. Yeah, I think it's just you and me watching the stream, but you are interested in watching this dude. He's doing machine learning. All right, peace.